My name is Rodrigo. Today we're gonna read Pigs Make Me Sneeze by Willems. Pigs Make Me Sneeze by Willems. Get out! What do you want to do today? Yes? A what? A ball, a swim, a hat? Sure! Are you okay? I don't know. Achoo! I can't stop sneezing. Oh no! What if pigs make me sneeze? Huh? Achoo! What if you tried to sneeze more softly? Sorry. But if pigs do make me sneeze, then I cannot be near you. That's so simple. There will be no friends. Must be apart forever. But Gerald, no, do not speak. It is too late. Goodbye, Gerald. Are you okay, Gerald? No, I am not okay, Dr. Cat. Pigs make me sneeze. And Piggy is a pig. Piggy is also my best friend. Achoo! Great, now cats make me sneeze too. Tud! I do not think pigs make you sneeze. I do not think cats make you sneeze. I think you have a cold. A cold! You're sick. I'm sick. Oh, thank you, Doctor. Piggy, great news! I have cold. Good for you. Thank you for watching. Whoa! Fire! First scene games that one still. Sabemos sozinhos. Geh bersih nak. Willems. That's because this book on that. Ja. Man. Waar is die goeie? Waar? Ja, buk. Ja. Sini. Hips on one. Waar is dat? Of hiep is hem je boet. Snel van die boet. Of wat is dat? Wie niet praten kennen. Zie je moest je fit. He was. Heel passend zien zus. Klaus. Oei. Fiddle. Dus de rest niet. Fiddle. Husta. Zien hem slip. Fiddle. 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 One more. Ziens. Hustan's was nicht, ja. Husta. Ja, oh, ja. Ja. Hush. Ah, mẹ sẽ ốm. Ha. Oh. Ha, no. Say. Ha, no. Yes, this. No, no. Smell a warm up since he gives. Smell a warm up since he gives. He wanna go with it. He looks a man. Snap for.